Hello viewers, and today I have for you an unboxing or an unenveloping of a set of coins from the now dissolved country of Nagorno-Karabakh. It was actually sadly dissolved on January 1st of 2024, so I thought I might want to get some coins before they become very scarce. So let's unbox it. Okay, here we have the 6 coins I was sent, and the first one right here is going to be a 5 dram. The next 3 are going to be 1 dram. These are all from the year 2004. And on the bottom row here we have a 50 luma from 2004 and another 50 luma from 2004. And I'll show you the obverse because they have different patterns on some of the repeats. Okay, on the obverse of these coins we have several different patterns. On the 5 dram we have the Cathedral of Gaziantep. On the 1 dram, this particular one, we have St. Gregory, and another 1 dram of the same year has the cheetah, and another one has a pheasant. And on the bottom row, the 250 luma coins are a deer and a horse. So overall, each of these coins is worth about $1.10 in the condition that they're in. So the total value of this is $6.60, and I paid approximately $12.87, so not much of a gain there, but I'm sure with time these coins will valuate. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.